work hard, we play hard.
Poof, there go the car. Poof, there go the crib. Poof, 100 mil. Woo. David Copperfield.
Today, we got a 2019 Camaro LT1. So we're gonna put a Corsa Extreme axle back on it, and I promise you, it's gonna sound like a beast. Why is Mike standing there?
The G-Exhaust mailbox blew up on social media. Unfortunately, I had to rest it in peace. But I want to keep the tradition going, so we're going to do something new. Oh yeah, and I forgot, we also photoshopped a bunch of Hard Rock vouchers for $65,000 that Justin won at the Hard Rock last weekend, and we're going to be placing them all around Lowe's. I don't think this is a good idea though. G is a master at branding. Ever since he started G-Exhaust, he exploded on social media. G-Exhaust has the best mufflers. We make the loudest noise on Instagram. We're the best fucking shop in all of America.
On the face of my city, co-signed by Diddy. Hard liquor, I'm shitty. Hotel, some biddy. Gotta doing my bidding. You changed, no kidding. Wasn't always this pretty.